Hey guys, back with Ratchet and Clank Size Matters, and this is part 4. So, and I will be doing glitches, one glitch on each planet for this video. So, let's get started. Poketaru. First glitch is here. By the waterfall, we're gonna get on up there, waterfall. So, come to this rock, get on, try to plant a crystal on. Shouldn't be too hard. You can just land on it and plant a crystal somewhere. It doesn't really matter where. You just gotta get a crystal. Cool. I might have to take it. Okay, got one, another. Get on, high jump, strike, and you die, which is disappointing because it looks so interesting up there. Next glitch. Okay guys, I'm here on Rye List, and I'm at the part after I skipped over this door and I'm at the part where you get the Sprout-O-Matic. So what you're gonna do is come over to this corner and we're gonna beam mine into it. So get your beam mine to throw to, and if it don't let you in like on the first try, then you might have to do the crystal technique where you put a crystal on the beam mine. Then hopefully you'll be pushed in. I think I'm pushed in. Hold on. I'm in something. Okay, it pushed me in. So what you're gonna do is put bee mines like around you so you can get out on the other side. Should let you out. Just keep jumping around and doing stuff until you get out. Come on. If it doesn't let me out, I'll take it. But it should push me out. Oh crap. I'll do it for you guys. For another. Alright, come on. Come on. Okay, and it pushed me out. So I'm on the sidewalk. Okay guys, sorry for the little technical difficulty. I was recording and my camera died and I just replaced the battery, so continuing with the glitch. I got out of here, I was in there, and then I got out by those bee mine, and now I'm on the sidewalk, and you can come to this sidewalk and you can go all the way over here, and this is the stopping point. Don't fall off. You can come here, plant a crystal, and get on top of this. And I try to get on top of this thing right here, but you can't. You'll just end up falling. So yeah, and there's not really anything on, well, there's not really anything on the left side. Oh crap, come to over here. There's not really anything over here to get on. Just, it'll stop you, which is an edge, and you can try to come over here, but you'll die. So next glitch. Okay guys, I'm here on planet Caledon, and I have a ship glitch for you. And one of my previous glitches I had where you'd high jump, get in the ship, get out, and you go flying. Well, I just found another one, and it's pretty weird. So what you do is, instead of high jumping, getting in the ship and getting out, you're gonna long jump. And right when you long jump, press triangle as quick as you can, and watch. See, watch what happens. And then get out, and this happens, which is pretty weird. I'll do it again, and I see if I could do some stuff with that, but no, you can't. It's like it freezes your controls for like 3 seconds. No, like 2 seconds. Then you're so. And then, well, sometimes that'll happen, but yeah, it's pretty weird. Alright, next glitch. Okay guys, I'm here on Metallus, and I'm going to, like, I'm in the part where you'd be going to the secret area, so at the saws. So what you're gonna do is come to this corner, plant crystals, high jump, and you're gonna want to get on top of this. Get on there. Once you're up, go over here, plant crystals again, high jump, and get inside this. And you're pretty much stuck in here, unless you can die by getting in a corner and throwing bee mines, and hopefully you could die off of the bee mines to get out. But that is the only way to get out. Oh, I didn't know you could wall jump. So yeah, so get out and then find a crystal, or strike to get out, and you're out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And now I'm at the secret area. Alright guys, next glitch. Okay guys, I'm here on Clank, and I won't be showing you a glitch on this video because I'm kind of running out of time. So look for part 5 where I would be finishing the variety glitches. So check out part 5, which is part 2 of my variety glitches. So yeah, see ya.